Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change your name on TikTok. To do this, you just need to go and open the TikTok app. After that, go to your TikTok profile. And after going to your TikTok profile, you just need to click on Edit Profile. On Edit Profile, you just need to go to the first option and click on it, which is Name. And as you can see, this is my name, and I can change it by deleting my name and entering the new one. But you should know that your name can only be changed once every 7 days. And that's mean if you change your name now, you can't change it again until the next week. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.